Today, Amazon and Alibaba leverage a lot of robots in their warehouses, but other customers don't necessarily have the means to build their robots in-house. At Unsupervised, we build autonomous mobile robots for warehouses and factories. Our customers are e-commerce provider like Cdiscount, as well as third-party logistics, where we do autonomous sorting with our robots. I met my co-founder Alexi in school. In college, we were building robots together. And since 2016, we've visited a lot of factories, warehouses, and we saw the need for logistics robots. Today, Amazon and Alibaba leverage a lot of robots in their warehouses, but other customers don't necessarily have the means to build their robots in-house. And so that's where we come in and we help them deploy our robots in their warehouse. We were looking for office space around Paris, and we saw the team here at Polytechnique, and it was kind of the perfect match because we needed space, we needed a fab lab to build our robots, and we were actually capable to build our 30 robots first series here during the summer at Polytechnique, and that wouldn't have been possible without the help of everybody here.